Hey guys, quick video on this hammer drill. Heavy duty, up to 1.1 inches. I have it plugged in already, and I put a bit in there. Hammer's nice. It has the chisel setting and the hammer setting. Hammer drill setting. Has the auxiliary handle here with the depth gauge. It's kind of in the way of the switch here, but if you're right-handed, you know it works, but you're kind of limited. But left-handed, there's no obstruction on the other side. Has the nice dust cover. Definitely standard size bits. It's all pre-lubed up and greased up. Has a boot to keep the dust out. It changes. It's a quick change on the bits. Nice mechanism. Place for the oil here, grease. Comes with a tube of grease. Nice manual. Two 10-inch chisels, pointy one and a flat one. 3/8 bit, 1/2-inch bit. And they look like pretty good quality bits. I've used the 1/2-inch one before and it worked fine. But yeah, not a bad hammer drill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.